Students, after revising the main points of the chapter, now we will start worksheet of the chapter. So let's start. Exercise number 1 is fill in the blanks. And the first fill in the blank is moving air is called dash. Yes, we have read in the chapter moving air is called wind. Now, number 2 fill in the blank is we can fill things with dash. Yes, we have seen in the chapter and read we can fill things with air. So answer will be air. We can fill things with air. Now next number 3 fill in the blank is air has dash. Dear students, with the help of this picture we can see that air has weight. You can see here the football which is full of air is heavier than the football which is empty. So it proves where air has weight. So answer will be weight. Air has weight. Now number 4 fill in the blank is all plants and animals dash in air. Yes, dear students, will you tell me what all plants and animals dash in air? What we take from air? Yes, we take oxygen from air and all plants and animals breathe air. So what we breathe from air. So answer will be breathe. All plants and animals breathe in air. Now next number 5 fill in the blank is dash is bad for health. Yes, dear students, we have just read in the chapter that dirty air is bad for our health. So answer will be dirty air. Dirty air is bad for health.